2 hands, you can hit it as hard as you can, and it's not gonna give out. Chop roots with it. You can grade, you can level or chopper. You can also use the diamond cultivator tool head as a pick, and then you can really work your way in to loosen things up. Just going and get it out. So there you go. That's a big taproot. Comes to removing thistle. Just one shot there, little leverage on it, where all the vines are, and then once you know where they are, you just hook them and just pull them all out, roots and all. I mean, this is just, that didn't break off. You can see the roots there, those just came right out. You can throw that out. I like to just use it to just sort of work like almost like a ripper, and it just grabs out this weed, and I'm using my whole body to get it out. I'm not just using my wrists.